Good morning. My name is Savannah, and together with the group, I'm here to talk to you about Infini. We are Anselm, Kraken, Inês, Marina, I, and Cajo from Porto Design Factory in Kyoto Institute of Technology. So we're here to talk about fashion with you, and I would like to ask you a question. What is fashion for you in one word? Okay, thank you. Fashion is all of those things, and I would like us to watch a quick video about it. Just a second.
What is fashion?
What is fashion? I don't know.
Arts.
Personality.
It's fun.
Interesting and loud.
I would say it's style.
Personality. I think it's a fantasy.
Art.
Also style.
I am fashion.
Yes, so fashion is all of those things, but it's also about speed. Can I ask one of my teammates to help me with the clicker, please? Thank you. Okay, sorry. So it's about fast. It's about a big industry. So here are some key facts about the fashion industry. It employs about 300 million people throughout the world. It is worth 1.3 trillion US dollars. And just in the last 15 years, fashion has doubled its production capacity. And that's pretty big. But there's also a downside to the industry. Nowadays, we are polluting the planet with the leftovers of the industry and the way we produce those things. But this reality is about to change. TriWool, our corporate sponsor, who is a Portuguese company, specialized in the knit garment product, already producing about 4 million pieces of clothes every year, wants to change the fashion paradigm at the moment. You probably know TriWool through its big clients. Big players in the industry, companies like Zara, which is part of the Inditex group, some others. Zara, for example, in only 2 weeks, they can take clothes from concept to the store. And this is pretty fast. So TriWool has given us this challenge to design a fully circular and sustainable knit garment product at competitive production cost. We decided to break this big challenge into small words to understand some of the concepts. So sustainability is about the balance between people, planet, and profit. For our industry to be sustainable, those three things have to be in balance, in equilibrium. Also, the fully circular is a new mindset that opposes the current linear economy of take, make, and dispose. Things go to trash, but not anymore. Because at the circular economy, waste equals resource. We give value to what is left from one industry. So the circular economy is regenerative by design. It is also minimize the negative impacts of production and consumption, doing that relying on renewable energy only. What a great challenge TriWool has given us.
So our users told us that the price matters a lot. And also we met a lot of experts from industry. And we learned that there's no completely sustainable materials for clothes at this time. So that's why we started to focus on materials. And we had 2 paths to follow: to solve the problems we have now, or to create a new future that there has no waste anymore. But why don't we combine both? And that's what we decided to do. So here's our solution. We created a new material that would be the foundation for sustainable fashion. So we made a new yarn from bioplastic and combined with leftovers from industries. Then we have Infini yarn. And this combination makes the yarn stronger and much more comfortable to your skin. And let me show you the video of our product.
In a world full of fast consumerism, we love to shop, but we never stop to ask ourselves how things are made. T-shirts, for example. Have you ever wondered who are the people making your clothes? Or how they are produced? Most of the clothes end up in landfills, where they lose their value and become trash, polluting the planet. And that's why we have developed Infini yarns. Infini yarns are made from the most sustainable bio-based materials. We combine bio-based new yarns with leftovers from the industry, to make Infinity yarns. The yarns are also mass manufactured with the help of reliable partners and experts. We are always making sure that the final product is sustainable with high quality while remaining cost competitive. T-shirts made with Infinity yarns are comfortable, fashionable, and desired by our customers. Infinity yarns, designed by TriWool to save the planet.
So we made two kinds of yarns. The one is twist of bio-based plastic, and the leftovers from industry, sorry. And this is how twist works. And the others is a blend of two materials. And you can see on the left side is how we mixed, and on the right side is how we blended in the factory. And finally, we made a t-shirt as our product, and we are also wearing these t-shirts today.
So now I will explain you the full life of our t-shirts. We start with a bio-based resource, which is sugarcane, for example, or cornstarch, and then we have the full normal cycle of making a t-shirt. What makes us different is the end of life of t-shirts. So, which means at the end of the life of our t-shirt, it can become an input to make another t-shirt, or it can be compostable and return to the bio-based resources to make new t-shirts again. So, our key factors are recyclable, compostable, competitive cost. We also have bio-based resources, and we are mass manufacturing. So, our competitive advantage relates to numerous factors, but one big factor is the water consumption. Compared to 1 kilo of cotton, it is needed 10,000 liters of water. And with our bioplastic, we only need 35 liters. It's a big difference. Also, we have minus 60% of CO2 emissions compared to polyester. And we are adapted to the current industry machinery because we prototyped inside factories of the product we made. So we are adaptable to the industry right now. And Infini is already helping close the loop. Thank you. I will invite you to go to my booth and ask us questions and try out our t-shirts. We will make a small contest to win one t-shirt. Thank you.